students, welcome to your drawing class. Students, today I am going to teach you some easy steps to draw a brinjal. Okay, before drawing you can also draw a margin and then you can start drawing. So let's start. So students, see, first I am taking this object and placing it here, and I am going to draw this circle. Okay, so let's draw a circle first. Now students, you can see that I have drawn a circle with this round object. You can also draw a circle with any round objects. Okay, so I have drawn a circle. Now from this circle, I am going to draw some lines. One from upwards, that is a curving line. Like this, and again at the bottom, joining this end. Okay students, like this. Okay, now the shape will come like this. Okay, first the circle and then two lines on both the ends, a curving line. Now we are going to draw the stem. So let's draw the stem like this. So we have drawn the stem. So students, after finish drawing the stem, then we are going to remove or erase this part of the circle. So let's erase it. And thus drawing our brinjal is ready. I have erased inside part of the circle. So students, what we have done from first, I have taken a round object, I have drawn a circle. Okay, then I have drawn this end. Okay, this line, curving line from one end at the top and one end at the bottom. Okay, then I have drawn the stem like this, and I have erased inside part of the circle. Now students, you can give border with your dark pencil. So students, you can see first I have made the border with dark pencil. Okay, now we will start coloring it. So to color brinjal, what we need purple color, because brinjal is purple in color. Okay, so let's take the colors first. So students, to color the brinjal, we need dark purple, light purple, then deep green and light green. So these four colors we need to color this brinjal. So let's start coloring first. First, you know that we have to give the border with dark purple. I am just doing the outline with dark purple. Do it lightly students, so that you don't break your colors. Don't hold it tight. Hold it softly and just draw the outline. So that when you fill the color inside, the color doesn't come out. See students, with this I have finished drawing the outline with this dark purple color or deep purple. Now I am going to draw two lines light color. Okay, lightly. Two lines here. One at the top, another at the bottom. And then I am going to fill first dark color like this method, just within that line, the line that I have drawn afterwards. You can see this line. So here I am going to fill with dark purple first, very lightly, not too dark. Don't Put pressure on your colors, otherwise it will break your colors. See students, I have completed doing it. Okay, you will also have to do it just similarly. Don't use sketch pens, just use your pastel colors or crayons. Now with this light purple color, I am going to draw another 2 lines inside. One again at the top and another at the bottom. Like this. And similarly, I am going to fill this color from inside. Okay. See, you can see the difference. First one, this layer is dark and this layer will be light. This will help you to learn shading of colors. First with dark colors and then with light colors by merging both the colors. So do it on both the sides. Students, you can see that I have drawn some uneven ends, okay, like this. Okay, so you are also going to do it lightly, and then inside we are going to do with this light purple color again inside, more lightly, just in slanting line process. Now you can also see some green brinjals in the market or at your home, isn't it? So sometimes brinjals are green, sometimes brinjals are purple. Some brinjals are green, some brinjals are purple. So if you make green brinjal, you can also do the shading similarly. First with dark green here on these end layers and then light green inside similarly. So I am giving some green touch inside, just like this, little bit, lightly. I'm not making it dark, just lightly. Now you can see this way color, 3 colors merged with each other, isn't it? They mixed with each other. And see how lovely it is looking. It is looking like a real brinjal, isn't it? So you can see the mix of 4 colors, okay? That is deep purple, light purple and another light shade of purple and then slight touch of green, okay? Next we are going to do the stem, color the stem. So coloring the stem, we are going to do it similarly. With deep color, we first draw the outline of the stem and then fill inside with light green. So let's do it. See students, I have darkened outside the border and I am going to fill inside with light green like this, and thus it merges both the colors and give it a beautiful 3D effect or shading. So students, you are also going to do similarly. Now see students, how my brinjal is looking. Isn't it looking lovely? Yes, it is. So students, you are also going to make it similarly. Okay, just the similar way I have shown you the shading and merging of colors and drawing how to draw easily a brinjal with a round object. Students, hope you had fun. So do the task and show me your task, show me your drawing and color it nicely. Don't use sketch pens, just use crayons or pastel colors. Okay students, have fun, enjoy the class. See you in the next video with some more drawings. Till then, take care.